think I'll still be sleeping at that time tomorrow because it's holiday time, guys. Just want to wish everyone at home Merry Christmas. Have the best time over Christmas, New Year's for both of you as well, Emily and Brough, and we'll see you next year.
Yeah, enjoy the break, mate.
Thanks, guys.
Good on you, mate. Thank you.
Well, stick with us after the break. Livio has all the weekend weather details.
Good evening, Livio, Regano with tonight's weather. A severe weather warning for heavy rainfall continues across far north Queensland after another extremely wet day from the Daintree all the way to the Herbert. Rain hopefully easing this weekend as ex-Jasper sails into the Gulf. 91 millimetres of rain at Walliman overnight. We had 69 mils at White Crystal, Palumba Dam had 58, Hawkins Creek 33 and Annandale near Townsville had 20 mils. Temperatures were once again rain affected, humidity greater than 80%, not too hot by day but very warm at night with only 4 to 6 degrees difference between max and min. On the satellite loop now, you can see that just because a cyclone dies doesn't mean it's not capable of producing heavy rain. It's an intense monsoonal low and it's very slow moving, so we've had another night of almost as much rain as just after the cyclone crossing. This system will continue to drift very slowly, eventually moving into the Gulf of Carpentaria, unlikely to re-intensify into a cyclone, but not impossible. Today's chart, you can see the low is positioned right over Cape York Peninsula, almost anchored there, but it's got a slight west-northwesterly movement. Meanwhile, this inland trough is starting to channel heat and moisture from the tropics right down into the southeast, firing up severe thunderstorms, as well as making conditions very, very hot and humid. And then on the outlook chart, or tomorrow I should say, the trough gets a little bit closer. This is probably the most potent day for severe thunderstorms right over central and southeasterly Queensland. Extremely hot inland, just humid near the coast. Still raining around North Queensland. On the outlook chart, rain starts to ease in North Queensland and the storms and humidity continue in the south. Now the latest from BOM, the boating forecast for Townsville waters, northeasterly winds up to 20 knots tomorrow, down to 10 to 15 knots for Sunday, and then east northeasterly for Monday. We're experiencing the exaggerated swing of the spring tide, even though it's 2 days since the peak, so beware of stronger than normal currents between high and low tide. The Herbert and lower Burdekin, a cloudy, rainy day. You don't get those very often. Townsville 24 to 29 degrees, Ayr 27, Ingham 28. Northern Goldfields and Upper Flinders, heavy rain and storms, mainly in the north. Charters Towers reaching 28 degrees under cloud and Georgetown 29. Looking ahead for Townsville, rain should be pretty much gone by Monday, followed by several days of classic tropical weather, days in the 30s, nights in the 20s and perpetually high humidity. And that's another week done and dusted. Goodness me, only one more until Christmas. Have a sensational weekend. Drink plenty of water because it's going to be a warm one, that's for sure. I'm signing off for 2023. See you next year. Now it's back to the team.
Yeah, good on you, Liv. Thank you very much. And enjoy your holidays, won't you, mate? Have a nice weekend. We'll see you Monday.
A reminder, you can watch a replay of 7 News on 7plus and catch up on our page at 7news.com.au. From all of us, good night.
Good night.